Good morning, everyone. It is moving day. I'm so excited, and it's also my birthday today. I can't believe it, but I'm here at the storage facility getting our stuff. It's gonna be a very exciting day, so I thought I would vlog for you guys. But yeah, we just saw our apartment. You should have seen our apartment tour already. It should have gone up on Tuesday. If it hasn't gone up, it's gonna go up next Tuesday. So keep an eye out for that. But I'm super excited, and I cannot believe that we're gonna have our own place again. So thanks for following along with us. I hope you guys have fun. So here is our storage unit, packed full with all of our stuff. So we've got a lot of stuff to do today, but we've got this. It also very much reeks of mothballs in here. So I'm really worried all of our stuff is gonna reek of mothballs because it's been in here for like 3 weeks. So we might have some laundry to do tonight, guys. But it's gonna be okay. Look, guys, my tripod and my camera's up there, and my ring light is in the storage unit. New exciting videos coming soon. Give up their dolly. So this is a lot easier now. Here we go. To just chill in the car because she has really bad anxiety. So we wanted her to be able to watch us as we load things in because she would freak out at the house if she was by herself. Huh, you little scaredy dog. It's okay, we love you. Also, Nala is perfectly safe. It's like 40 degrees outside and we have the windows open. I just didn't want anybody to think we were like, she was gonna be too hot in there, but it really is a better place for her because earlier this morning she saw me like moving stuff to my car and it like freaked her out because every time we move she panics because I think she thinks we're gonna leave her, but I don't know why because we've had her since she was a puppy and she's never been abandoned before. So I don't know why. She has a lot of anxiety, but we love her. We're gonna take care of her. This garbage bag sitting right here in the middle, but for some reason Nala decided she wanted to sit on it, so she pulled it over and is laying. It just has like blankets and pillows in it, but I just thought it was so cute. So Nala, are you excited to be the queen of your castle again? Alrighty then. Phase 1 is complete. Alright, we're about to see if Nala likes the apartment. Come here, stay close. So far she just seems very confused on where the heck we are. Ooh, what's this place? Here, let me take off your collar. No, here, I'll take off the collar for you. Okay, go free. She has a lot of investigating to do. What do you think, buddy? You like this place? Like, you want to go on the porch? Oh yeah, she's ready for the porch. Look, you can watch us unload. We're right over there. Yeah, how's that? She's not sure yet. Look at this place. This is your new castle. Yeah, you like it? Look, there's a bathroom over here. Alrighty. What's this, Nala? Yummy! Yum.
A little loosey-goosey.
She's a happy girl.
The thing with Chick-fil-A is...
What's up, guys? Quick update before I have to get back to work. But we have finished, I don't know if you can see everything. We finished unloading the majority of our stuff. And then in here we set up our bed. We're just washing the sheets right now. And I'm about to set up the dresser and the nightstand so we can watch some TV. Because it's my birthday and I want to enjoy it a little bit because today was just crazy. It's already like 6 o'clock. We've been moving the whole day. Blake just went to Target to get like, you know, toilet paper, paper towels, all that stuff. So I'm hoping to get the room set up so that way we can at least like watch Game of Thrones and eat some pizza and at least semi-enjoy my birthday. And I'm gonna take a birthday bath as well. But yeah, that's what's going on. The kitchen's kind of a mess. Everything's a mess. Everything's just everywhere. And I'm doing some laundry now as well. So I'll update you guys in a little bit. She finally, oh shoot, I woke her up. She's been panicking all day and she finally laid down. I'm gonna leave her alone now. Maybe she'll go back to sleep. Good morning, guys. It is currently Saturday. I had the best night's sleep ever last night because we've been sleeping on an air mattress for like 3 weeks. So it was so nice to have our bed and our own apartment. I just can't believe it. My lips are super chapped, so I'm sorry if you can see that on camera. The winter is not my friend right now. But anyway, I just want to update you guys. So last night I didn't get too much done. I did like clear out the living room. I kind of put like everything in its designated room. The kitchen is a disaster zone right now, so that's my objective today before I go in for work. Blake's at work right now, and I just set up our internet, so I'm excited for that. But that's basically what's happening. Nala, we gave her cannabis for the first time last night. They come in these little treats. I'll show you guys. Because she just gets so crazy when we leave the house. So this is what they look like. And it says that there's 2.5 milligrams per chew. And she like loves them. So they obviously taste good, but they don't seem to work for her. I don't know, like everybody, maybe it's just because she's like a lab / golden and she's like huge. Because everybody at like the vape shop where we got it from said it really works on their dog. But she seems to not be affected by it at all. Like last night she was still freaking out and panicking. And then this morning I left her here to go drop Blake off. And she destroyed some of my makeup. So, you good? What you doing? What are you doing? What you doing? Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna be getting her a crate most likely, or we're gonna actually get like the CBD oil and just like put it on her gums, because maybe that's just not enough for her. Because I don't really want to put her in a crate because she's so big and we do work some pretty long hours, so like I'd like her to be able to like explore and roam around. But I don't know, if she can't calm down, she's gonna have to go in a crate. So anyway, just wanted to update you guys. I'll probably do a time lapse of me putting away the kitchen stuff in just a second. We had some casualties while moving yesterday. So this TV was dropped on the floor by accident, so it does not work anymore. And this chair I sat in last night and it just fell apart. So these will be going to the dumpster, unfortunately. But it's okay because we need to buy a couch for this area anyway, and we'll probably just end up getting a bigger TV for in here, and we'll just keep the big one that we have in our bedroom. And also right now I just put on Frozen on the TV because I saw the new trailer, and guys, how good does it look? I literally cried.